The unboxing experience is clean, minimalist, and very much in line with PITAKA's premium approach. Inside the box, the case takes center stage, accompanied only by the essential packaging materials and no unnecessary accessories. Everything is neatly arranged and presented with a strong focus on simplicity. Once removed, the case immediately stands out with its ultra-thin profile, lightweight feel, and distinctive woven aramid fiber finish, giving the entire unboxing a refined and carefully engineered feel. Handling the case immediately reveals its combination of rigidity and lightness. The aramid fiber surface feels premium and provides a refined, secure grip, while the slim construction keeps the Galaxy Z Fold 8's original design in focus. MagSafe compatibility and wireless charging support also add useful functionality without compromising the minimalist profile. This ultra-slim edge case follows a deliberately minimalist design, protecting the Galaxy Z Fold 8 while preserving its original look and slim profile. Made from aerospace-grade aramid fiber, it is remarkably rigid and lightweight, with a refined, woven texture that adds a subtle, technical character. Its extremely thin construction keeps the phone's original silhouette and premium feel largely intact, making it ideal for users who prefer understated protection without unnecessary bulk. The aerospace-grade aramid fiber is a key part of the case's appeal, combining strength, lightness, and an exceptionally thin construction. Its distinctive woven texture adds a technical, sophisticated character that complements the engineering-focused design of the Galaxy Z Fold 8. The PITAKA Ultra Slim Edge case is a beautifully engineered accessory for those who want protection without adding bulk. Its aramid fiber construction, ultra-thin profile, lightweight design, and premium finish preserve the Galaxy Z Fold 8's original character while adding practical, everyday protection. A minimalist case that protects the phone without getting in its way.